Hello there viewers, welcome back to another new video. If you're someone who has tirelessly worked to achieve a toned, healthy body, you must have already realized by now how difficult it is to get rid of those stubborn belly fat. Today, we are gonna show you 6 easy and super effective exercises to lose belly fat at home. If you follow these exercises for just 7 days, you will lose between 1 to 2 inches from your waist. Before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon below. Number 1. Jump rope. Jump rope is one of the best exercises to lose belly fat for both men and women. It is simply easy to do and entertaining so that you never get bored. Just take your jumping rope and jump for 1 minute. Jumping with both legs at once will be a much better choice. You will be warm enough to sweat by the end of this session. Keep your back and knees straight while jumping. Number 2. Stationary lunges. This exercise works for several muscle groups at once. It helps your body burn extra fat around your belly. To perform this, stand in an upright position. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at 90-degree angle. Make sure the other knee is low but not on the floor. Now keep the weight on your heels as you push back up to the starting position. Do 15 repetitions of this exercise daily. Number 3. Donkey kicks. If you're searching for an exercise to target and tighten your belly, look no further than donkey kick. This exercise is the best for beginners to lose belly fat fast. To perform this exercise, get on the floor on your hands and knees. Then place hands directly under shoulders and knees under hips. Next, engage your abdominal muscles to help create a stable pelvis and a strong back. Now keep your chin slightly tucked and eyes looking out and down so the back of the neck stays flat. Now using your glutes, lift your right leg up and behind you toward the ceiling, keeping the 90-degree bend in the right leg and flexing the right foot. Next, lift up to the point before your hips rotate or tilt. You need your hips to stay level and squared to the ground and your back to stay neutral and strong. You should avoid rushing the motion so you can do the exercise with a full range of motion and proper technique. Now lower the right leg to the starting position and repeat on the same leg. Once you have completed all the repetitions on the right side, switch to the left side. Do 10 to 15 repetitions on each leg daily. Number 4. Plank to downward dog. This exercise is one of the best practices for belly fat. To do this exercise, start off on all fours with palms on the ground and fingers spread out. Then pull the stomach while inhaling and lift the knees off the ground. Support the body weight until you reach an inverted V shape. Hold that pose for 5 to 6 breaths. Then exhale and return to the starting position. Number 5. Jumping jacks. Jumping jack is one of the best ways to cut down that stubborn belly fat. Begin this exercise by standing with your legs straight and your arms to your sides. Then jump up and spread your feet beyond hip width apart while bringing your arms above your head, nearly touching. Jump again, lowering your arms and bringing your legs together. Then return to your starting position. Repeat this exercise 15 times daily. Number 6. Battle rope. Battle rope exercise is one of the best exercises to burn fat at a much faster rate. You can burn 10 calories by doing this exercise for just 5 minutes. Stand with feet shoulder width apart in a quarter squat, facing the anchor. Then hold one side of the rope in each hand. Lower the battle ropes down to your sides with your arms extended. Next, lower into a squat, tighten your core and explode into the air, jumping high while raising both hands overhead. As you land softly, back down into a squat. Forcefully slam the ropes onto the floor in a wave motion. Now repeat this for 30 seconds and then rest for 30 seconds. Do 3 sets daily. Here we end up for today. These are those great easiest home exercises that can be performed daily to reduce the extra fat accumulated in your belly. Now are you going to start doing these exercises? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, hit like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching the video.